What's going on, guys? Bad Vibes Forever Collection, back at it again with another boom unboxing. Today we got ourselves a nice little OG piece here. We got ourselves a 2017 size XL lightning kill hoodie. Meaning that's a blue kill. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into this packaging opening. Anyways, wrong hand. I'm not left-handed, so I can't do that. But you guys are gonna witness the unboxing instead of just like, boom. You know what I'm saying? You guys get to see this one. Well, hopefully, unless I mess up. But so far, so good. Remember to always cut towards you, not away. Avoid what your parents always taught you. Just kidding. Don't do that. Don't listen to me. Bad advice, bad advice. Oh, so I'm like trying to cut it, but I'm not looking through the camera, so like, sorry if it's not perfect, you know what I'm saying? But we're getting through. We're getting through. We just need one more side, and we're in this busy. No kizzy. Tape is almost through, or almost through with the tape. The seal is no mo. And voila to the law, ladies and gentlemen. Voila to the law. Look at that. It's all packaged all nicely in the plastic. That's looky lit. Let's move that out of the way, you know what I'm saying? Now for the main attraction. Yeah, wrapped in plastic. Obviously, it's not dead stock. Right, come on, guys. But, yeah, you can tell cracking one up. But still, I like this packaging. Very cool looking. Very cool packaging. You know what I'm saying? But without further ado, let's break the seal of the deal. And let's check out this condition together. I'd say the condition's pretty fair. Pretty fair. Not stupid beat, but definitely on the beat side. There we go. Plastic's off. Just do one of these. You already know. Oh, it's sealed. There we go. All right. Anyways. Boom. There's the hoodie. Right off rip. Puff. Kind of flat, but low-key still kind of feeling it. Like, puff-wise. The lightning logo, with it being cracked, makes it look like it was already like that, so I can mess with that. Ooh, I already see the tag. All right, let's go. You already know the deals. Opening it up for the last time. All right, let's get it. Boom. And, okay. So far, so good. I'm liking what I'm seeing here. I like what I'm seeing here. All right, boom, this sleeve. It's very nice condition. I really like it. Size XL, so freaking hyped about the size. Perfect size. Let me fix the sleeve text for you since it's all creased up like that. Give me like 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Look at that nice little sleeve text action right there. Very cracked all the way through, as I expected. But still, very nice. I thought it was a hole for a second. I was like, no. It's not soft on the inside, but, what do you expect? Well, to be soft, I guess, right? Look at that. Freaking size XL. That's what I'm talking about, guys. I love these metal eyelets. So sick. Hood looks like it's pretty deep. I'd say it's a pretty big hood. Thanks to whoever wore this last. Let me stretch that bad boy out for me. Got some loose threading right there. Nothing too I can't complain about, but shouldn't complain about. Especially when I'm talking about such an old historical piece. I freaking love the tags. They feel so nice. Like, if you guys own an OG piece, they just feel nice. I wish they stuck with these because, like, nowadays when you wear those new stuff, like, the tag like be flipping on your neck, whereas these are just like, super nice. But yeah, without further ado, let me just quit stalling. Let's check out the kill hand. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Boom. Ooh, that thing is cooked. Damn, that thing's cooked. My golly, great Scott. I mean, still from afar, you could tell it's pretty dang cracked. Not gonna lie. And there's like this one fat line right there going throughout. Super cracked. Oh my gosh. Hey, you already know though, them fingernails are intact. Still puffy on the fingernails. So I mess with that. That's cool. But yeah, very nice. Could be better, but you already know. Ooh, I didn't even know. This still has the independent blank. SS4 500. That's what they always use for these older hoodies. I like it. To me, where I live, very thin, but very doable, very wearable. Can't wait to try this on. Thanks for watching, guys. Sorry if it wasn't too whatever, like normal. Anyways, y'all have an amazing day. Have a great weekend or weekday, whatever it may be. Stay awesome. I'm stalling, but yeah, have a good day.